Hello and welcome to another video for DSAT Math. Today's topic is creating an equivalent form of an algebraic expression. Let's see what the questions are about. Um, the first one says create an equivalent form of the algebraic expression 2x minus 3y minus 4x plus 6y, which is the following. So it's just simply about adding and subtracting. So I get minus 2x plus 3y. Okay, so I think that is simple. Since these are easy questions, you will find this happening in a lot of questions. Okay, which of the following forms is the algebraic expression 4x minus 3y plus 2xy minus 2xy squared? So I see something has been taken common, so I'm going to just rearrange this a little bit, or I could expand the answer options and see which one fits. I think that's the better idea in this case because I might have to do a bit of trial and error if I a bit of shuffling randomly. So the first one expands to 4x plus 2xy minus 3y minus 6xy squared. No, I didn't want minus 2xy squared, sorry, minus 2xy squared. A should be the right answer. I think that balances everything completely. Yes, that is indeed the right answer. Let's look at the next one. I think 3x minus 2x gives me x plus 4y plus 5. So I get x plus 4y plus 5. Yeah. Moving on to the next one, I think this one is about simplifying. So 2x into 3y gives me 6xy minus 2x into 4 gives me 4x plus 10xy minus 15y. 16xy minus 4x minus 15y. I may have missed out something. Yes, this is 8x. That should be the correct answer. Moving on to the next one, it says create an expression form of the algebraic expression 3x plus 2y plus 4x minus y, which of the following is an equivalent form. So 7x plus y. That should be the right answer. I think there'll be more easy questions as we go on. Okay. 4a plus 2a gives me 6a minus 2b. That should be the correct answer. Nothing unusual about these questions. I'm not really explaining anything. Expanding this gives me 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 9. 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. So I get 4y minus x. 5x minus 6x minus 12 minus x minus 12. Okay, that should be the end of this session. I think it should allow me to level up now. Yes, I will be back with another video in the next session. Thank you for watching.